What's up, y'all, and welcome back to Say It With a T-Shirt. Once again, it's your girl Tina. In today's video, I'm going to be putting together a car wash Father's Day gift basket. But before I do, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Alright, we're going to be using in this basket the Driver's Choice 2 wax applicator pads and 1 tire shine applicator. So this one got 3 pads in it. I got it from Dollar General. All of these right here that I'm about to name off, I got from Dollar Tree. And we're going to use the Armor All multi-purpose auto cleaner, Armor All glass cleaner, the Armor All spray wax, the Armor All extreme tire shine, the Armor All protectant. Oops. Yeah, I get that. And the Armor All all-purpose car wash. We're also going to be using the Scott's shop glass for glass and chrome. Got it from Myers. This handy chamois, got it from Dollar Tree. Multi-purpose sponge. This one is ideal for rugs and carpets, wheels and tires, windshield and lamps. Dollar General. We got one of the little trees. I forget where I got this from. We got the car eraser sponge. There's 2 little sponges in here. Tire gauge. And my little clearance giant auto sponge that I got from Dollar General. And we're going to put it all in a bucket. Alright guys, I'm just going to go ahead and jump on into this and start trying to put this thing together. Alright guys, this is the basket wrapped and ready to go. Please comment down below, how do you think it turned out? Do you think $60 is a decent price for this? Or should I say $55? Please comment down below. With that being said, this is the end of the video. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn them notifications on so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. See you in the next video.